The main way that NFPA 241 addresses safety in buildings under construction, alteration, or demolition is the requirement for a fire prevention program. Now, if we look below in Chapter 4, General Requirements for 241, the owner needs to designate a person responsible for the fire prevention program. So it's ultimately the owner's responsibility to make sure that this is happening. The fire prevention program is essentially written for that specific site based on the specific hazards and the type of construction that's being done. Now, the fire prevention program, we're going to scroll down and look at the requirements specifically for the fire prevention program. And if you see here, there's about 17 items that need to be within that program. And they address things like having proper emergency contacts, proper pre-planning for the responding fire department, emergency communication procedures. We want proper signage in the building. We want to know how we're handling hot work operations. What type of fire protection systems are going to be in place in the building? What are we doing as far as housekeeping? We're providing fire department access. How is that being provided? What's our waste disposal at that site? And what does that look like? As well as, do we have life safety plans in place for the workers and the people on the construction site? And what are our temporary utilities look like? So this plan gets written for this specific project based on those hazards. And it's written by a person who's knowledgeable. It needs to be approved by authority having jurisdiction before construction starts. It's a very crucial part to safeguarding these construction sites. So if you want to learn more about construction fire safety, there's a link below that goes to our landing page, which has a bunch of stuff on buildings under construction safety, including fact sheets and things like that. And if you want to learn more about fire prevention program, there's a video linked below to a video in the NFPA LiNK YouTube channel, which goes over in more detail what that fire prevention program looks like. Now, let me know, have you ever written a fire prevention program? Have you worked on a site with a fire prevention program? Have you approved a fire prevention program? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you.